Going on, everybody? It's your boy SoFly Trades here, back with another video. And in today's video, I just want to talk more about the mental side of trading and how difficult it is, and how some days you can have red days, some days you can have red weeks, sometimes you can have red months, and like I said, the easy part to me in trading is charting out your levels. The hard part is executing and keeping your emotions in check. That is the hardest part of trading. I will just be completely honest with you guys. It's the hardest part. Hold on, let me make myself a little bit bigger for you guys. Yeah. So that's the hardest part in trading. So I just want to talk about the two trades that I took today. One was a reject of 442 that went against me, and another one was a call option to 443 that went against me, 443.9 to be more exact. And as far as my NVIDIA swings are concerned, I got in 2 months early on those because I thought the earnings call was on the 23rd, because when I looked it up on Google, something said something about June 23rd, but I should have done more research before I just jumped in. Although price action was looking kind of decent at the time, but it's all good. I lost $1,007 on that. Those contracts expired today. On this reject here, where we had an increase of selling volume right here, but the candlestick I didn't like. I took rejects right here. Once we broke below this uptrending line on the increase of selling volume, but the candle body wasn't confirming that increase of selling volume. So I got stopped out once this candle closed, but above this 442.58, I got stopped out for a loss of $38. And my second intraday contracts that I bought were calls. Once we broke above and closed above 442, I was looking for calls on this retest of 442.58 to take back up to 443.9. We had a retest on this candle here. I got in on this candle right here, held. It was the participants at this time, it was just really choppy, moving sideways. Like, I'll show you guys the 1 minute time frame. It was just really stagnate up, back down, stagnate up, then tank below, came back up, stopped me out right here. This is exactly where it stopped me out for a loss of $189. So today in total, I lost $227. And like I just told you guys, I lost those NVIDIA contracts, 2 of them for $1,069. I just want you guys to see how I'm being completely transparent with you guys, because in trading, there'll be days and months you're green, and there'll be days and months you're red. The hard part is managing those emotions. Like today, I'm gonna just be completely honest with you guys. When I seen this liquidity grab just to take it back up a little bit, I was upset. Mentally, I was upset, and I'm like, man, this keeps happening to me this whole week. It's not my week, this, that, and the third. I'm trying to tell you, once you start trading, you will have these kinds of thoughts. Any trader can tell you, you will have these kinds of thoughts. The important thing to do is to feel your loss. You have to feel the loss. You have to embrace it, and you have to feel it. Because if you try to sit there and ignore the loss all day, it'll creep back on you when you're doing something. And then you're like, man, I lost $1,000-something, and I lost, this, that, and the third. And then it's just gonna ruin your day. Trust me. I've been there. I've done that. I'm still slightly upset, but it's fine, because I know this mental game of trading, and it's all a mental game, and I know that I'm not going to quit. Even though this week was horrible for me, I know that I'm not going to quit. I'm going to keep going no matter what. I don't care if it takes me 5 years or 10 years. I will be extremely successful from day trading. I don't care how long it takes me. I really don't. But I just want you guys to know that trading is not easy at all. It's stressful on the mind. It is extremely stressful on your mind. That's why, that's why you see a lot of day traders chilling a lot of the time, because the time, it might seem like we make a lot of money in a little bit of time, but that time that we have to focus and be on track and keep our emotions in check, that's a lot mentally. I'm just being honest with you guys. It's a lot mentally. So if you know for a fact you can't control your emotions, or you don't even want to try to work on your emotions and work on the reasons why you feel certain emotions at certain times and learn the signals behind those emotions, then trading is not for you, because you have to learn, okay, why am I getting nervous around this area? Is there something I'm not seeing on the charts? Is volume coming in that I'm not liking, in my direction? It's just all about assessing your mental capacity and analyzing it. That's exactly why I wasn't taking no more trades today, because I'm like, nah, I'm already getting upset. And I'm like, man, we keep getting stopped out this week on liquidity grabs. My previous videos this week, you can see that too. I get stopped out on a liquidity grab, just for a price to go back in my favor. And I'm gonna be honest with you, we're really supposed to be numb to it. Like, okay, it's all probabilities, it's fine. But I'm gonna be honest, we're human, we feel that, no, nobody likes to lose money. You know what I'm saying? Nobody likes to lose money, but it's a part of the game. We have to be good losers. So that's why earlier when I took these losses, I felt it, slightly upset. Then I remembered this is nothing but variance. This is what, couple trades out of the million other trades that I'm gonna take in my life. This is nothing. I'm gonna make this back 30,000 times over, with time. So it's all about just staying consistent and staying true to your nature. Sometimes you might have to take a break from trading, like I think, well, we have a long weekend, so this should be the recuperation that I need. I'll be digging into my mental side a lot. Like, I'll really be digging into my mental side a lot. And my strategy, I feel like I want to go back over my strategy, because I feel like the markets are kind of changing in a way where my stop losses, I need to make room for bigger stop losses or something of the sort. But at the same time, I don't like doing that, because the bigger your stop loss, the more you can lose if you are wrong. And it's all probability. So if you're wrong, you're going to lose more because you're risking more. So it's a mental game. Like, it's a mental game. It really is. It's all about finding that sweet spot, which I'm trying to, find out right now. And I don't know if I might be more of a swing trader than a day trader. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that out. Or it might just depend on market conditions. Sometimes market conditions are better for swing trades than they are for intraday trades. Like today, market conditions are not good for intraday day trading. Maybe little scalps where you can get maybe if you have enough money to scalp it a couple cents. But, I'm not working with $100,000 in my account. You know what I mean? So I can't do that. So I need decent moves. Like, I need moves. I need level to level moves. That's what I need. Level to level moves. So I think the market might be, I don't know. I'll be looking for swing trades to see if I can find any swing trades. But next week when I trade, I'll be trading even lighter. I'm not going over 3 contracts. And to build my confidence up in the beginning of the week, I might only take 1 contract. Shoot, just to rebuild my confidence and just find the sweet spot for my stop loss, because I'm trying to stop putting my stop loss in obvious areas. But it's hard. I'm gonna be honest, it's hard, because you have to think way differently. You have to think how the market makers think, like, it's just, everything is just different, but I'm trying to adjust my thought process to where I don't mind being as much draw or a little bit more drawdown, if my stop target is in a good area, but it's all with time. With time, you will get better. With time, you will see what works and what doesn't work. But it's all about staying consistent, like I keep telling you guys, and not giving up. But yeah, without further ado, that's really all I wanted to talk to you guys about. Just keeping your mental capacity in check, just relaxing, not stressing too much over things. But like I said, feel your loss, grasp your loss. When you do lose the trade and you start feeling your mental capacity going everywhere, grasp it. Just take a couple deep breaths and be like, okay, I have to remember, this is all probability. This is all variance. Sometimes probabilities look good, but they don't go in your favor. That's just how it is. You know what I mean? And we have to take it. We got to get it how we live it. If you have a 60% strategy and you take 10 trades, you'll win 6 out of those 10 trades, but you don't know which order those 6 wins will be in. So you have to take every trade the exact same as you would, and follow the same rules. And that's the hard part sometimes, because You have to take every trade the exact same way. But sometimes things change in the trade, such as maybe the volume isn't there, or you don't like how the candlestick is looking. So things change. And it's like, that's why there's a lot of discretion within trading. But other than that, I appreciate everybody for tuning in. And I hope you guys had a better trading day than I did if you guys traded. But other than that, I will see you guys on the watch list. And you guys have a wonderful weekend and a wonderful 4th of July. Peace.